Hey everybody, what's up? Hope you are doing great. So in this video, we will see how we can download and install R and RStudio on Windows. But first, we should know about R and RStudio. R is basically a graphical interface where you can perform all the RStudio tools, and RStudio is an integrated development environment specifically designed for work with R programming language. It provides a user-friendly interface that enhances the productivity and efficiency of R programming tasks. RStudio offers a wide range of features and tools that make it easy for data scientists and research to write, debug, and execute R code. It provides many tools like script editor, workspace and environment management, package management, data visualization, integrated documentation, version control, integrations. So let's jump to the next process, which is download and install R and RStudio on Windows. So I am here on the link where we will download our R for Windows. So I will give you the both links in the description. So you just copy and paste in the Google Chrome and you will find that first link. Just click on it, and on this page you will find the link for the download. Just click on it. It will take some time. It also depends on the internet speed of your system, so it will take around 1 or 2 minutes. As you can see, it's completing in few seconds. So it's completed. So as if I open in my download folder and double click on it, it will ask for the permission. Just yes. It will ask provide language, so you can select as your requirement. So I'm selecting English. Next. This is the documentation about R, so if you want to read, you can read it, or I just next. Okay, it's asking the folder where this software will placed, so I will go with the default setting. Just next, next, and also next, next. And if you want to create a quick launch shortcut, you can check this box also. So it's now it's installing on our Windows system. Once it will done, we will move to the next step where we will install RStudio. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, just finish. Now we will move to our next step of install RStudio for Windows. So here you can see it's available for Windows 10 or 11, Mac OS. It's also available for Ubuntu system and Fedora also, and it's also available in zip file. because in Ubuntu or Linux system you can download through zip file. Okay, so we will just simply click on that button. Now you can see it's starting downloading, so we will wait for the completion of this software also. Alright, as you can see, our downloading has been completed, so we will now install and set up the R and Studio. We will just double click on it. It will ask for the permission, so we will grant the permission with yes. Now we will just simply next and install. It might be take some time. Okay, so our both setup has been completed, so we will just finish this. Now if I just show you, this is the R console, and we can check through search RStudio. It's opening. Okay, so this is the interface of the RStudio, where you can execute your R program and other tools. So this is it for this video. Hope you can easily understand the whole process of downloading and installing and set up R and RStudio. So we will meet in next video. So till then, take care and bye bye.